In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram Note GIF option not showing. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Instagram, update your Instagram app, then go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search Instagram, click on Instagram, click on Force Stop, click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache, clear cache. Now open your Instagram app. Now go to Message, then click on Note. You can see that there is a GIF option. Click on it. Now click on it, then click on Share. Now I hope that Instagram GIF option not showing problem fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.